So you can see here, I touched the exhaust. It's cold, there's nothing. I haven't started it or nothing. So how about we go inside and we'll give it a start and we'll see the oil pressure goes up too as well. Alright, so here we are in. Turn it on. Here's the glow plugs light. The glow plug's warming up. Oil light, alternator light. And wait for the glow plug light to turn off. There you go, that's off. Here's the oil pressure while I turn the key to turn and start it. Give it gas. Built up more pressure. It's a mechanical gauge. So it's not quite, it takes a little time for the pressure to build up in the hose. The pressure does go up, and water temperature, it usually sits around 150, and it doesn't really go up above that, so it stays pretty good temperature, and again, that's a mechanical gauge. So neither one are electrical, so they're mechanical, the way they go. Rev it up a few times. Let's go back and look at the smoke. You can see there's no white smoke, no nothing or anything. There is a little bit when you give it gas and you give it just normal because it's just diesel powered, so that's just the way it is. So, let's go in here. I give it a few revs. You see a little bit just from revving it up, fuel coming out. Running. It's amazing, it like doesn't even shake that much. For a diesel, it's amazing how much it's so smooth the way it runs. Like it's just shaking the hose a little bit here. Right down the idle, no issues. Now it just makes me kind of sad that if I take it out, maybe I won't sell it. I don't know.